This is a great project. It's a complete gut renovation of a townhouse, completely new everything. Modern living, but they wanted it to feel as if it were stepping into a piece of the West Village here in New York City. This project was super challenging, lots of complexity. It being a West Village townhouse, dimensionally those projects are very constrained. They're narrow, but at the same time I have to get circulation up and down the building. It needed a stair, it needs modern ventilation, it needs services and plumbing, and it's really a tangled web of needs and really hard to resolve. We think of a drawing by hand as a prototype. Drawing is testing. We see the Dassault Systèmes platform as a way of testing, but just in 3 dimensions instead of 2.
3D experience really brings the virtual twin in. It shows them their intent played out in the field, and it gives everybody a central location and a common view of the project so that they can coordinate their thinking, the constructability, and so forth.
For example, the stair in this house was an ambitious idea. It solved several problems all at one time. But without the 3D experience where we could really see proof that it was going to work, proof that all the mechanical systems would fit in the spaces behind the ellipse, we probably wouldn't have taken the risk.
With this project in particular, we had very, very limited space for utilities. So when minimizing that space, it needs to be very, very well coordinated. Having the prototype really allows us to mark and lay out before anyone installs their equipment exactly where that equipment needs to live. Being able to have that clearly detailed and laid out to know exactly where everything goes makes life a lot easier.
The visibility on 3D Experience and ENOVIA particularly, where everybody can access it on a tablet and see what they need to work on, empowers them to keep out of each other's way, and it enables the supervisors and all the other trades to sequence the work properly. So they won't be putting something up that's going to block another trade from doing their work.
The digital process that BOXXCRAFT has put together using the 3D Experience platform enables us to track decisions that eventually create geometry that lead to instructions in the field.
What was different than in my previous experience, where we didn't have such coordination done, was that we were able to maximize efficiency of this project, time-wise and money-wise.
Everybody works quicker with the knowledge, and knowledge is power on the site. Everybody sees what they're working on. Everybody works happier, more content crew, changes the culture of the project. The homeowners get what they want, point A to point B.